Hi, my name is Jake and I'm a motion designer from Ukraine. And now we will make this effect. I've decided to make a lottery drawing in each of my future videos. Rules are simple. One of you will win my VFX bundle or any other project of your choice from my portfolio on Video Hive. Link is in description. You can check them and find which project is most interesting for you. All you have to do is to be subscribed to my channel and also leave any comment in comment section below. In the end of the next video, I'll randomly pick one of your comments using randomizer. So make sure to have your email address available on your channel, so I can write you and give you a project of your choice. Do not try to post multiple comments, it's easily traceable and will not qualify as a fair play. Usually my videos are not getting that many comments, so you have great odds of winning. I think it will make my videos even more interesting to watch. And now, let's get started! So I'm using After Effects CC 2015. This test footage you can download from description below. Just drag and drop on this icon here to create new composition. As you can see, I have this clean plate. So basically you need to shoot your video with no moving parts or moving camera, or even light must not change for this effect to work. So just film your background and then yourself. So first what we need to do is to duplicate this layer, go to Edit, Duplicate. Let's shut this sound for now and disable this top layer. And bottom layer we need to have as a background. So just right mouse click on it and go to Time, Freeze Frame. Let's rename it to BG. Just press Return on keyboard to rename it. Let's enable this top layer. And now we can apply effect called Difference Matte. Just drag and drop on your layer here. And let's change some settings here. First of all, let's set difference layer to our BG layer, like this. If we shut off our background, you can see the effect is already working. Let's also change the value of matching tolerance. So our goal now is to have yourself as much as possible and remove all background as much as we can. So I set my value about 3 here. Now let's apply effect called Matte Choker. Just drag and drop here. So with this effect we are going to try to clear our image even better. Just play with this first value here called Geometric Softness. I set my value to about 23, and this is pretty much it. Of course, you can use green screen to make this effect a lot better, but I've decided to show you the way to make this effect with no budget at all. All you need to have is After Effects and camera, and you'll be able to make this effect. So basically this effect works like this. It looks at our background and then looks at the top layer and trying to see what is different between these two layers. So in my case, I'm the only object which is different between background and our footage. So let's enable it. Now let's duplicate this top layer, go to Edit, Duplicate. On this middle layer, let's delete all effects, so we could hide all imperfections in our keying. Then select this layer without any effects, go to Edit, Duplicate, and let's rename it to One Right Arm. Just select it and press Return on keyboard to rename it. Then let's find the point in time where we want to multiply our hand and just cut this layer to this moment. Then right mouse click on this layer and go to Time, Freeze Frame. If you are feeling lazy, you can just repeat this step multiple times and get decent effect. But in our case, I want to have some movement in our multiple hands. So let's select this pen tool here and scroll in to see it better. And then just outline your arm. Then just select this pen behind tool, select our layer, and let's move this anchor point to our shoulder here. So basically this is the main point from which rotation should happen. So as you can see, we have already one arm cut off. So now basically you need to just duplicate these layers, delete mask, and just need to repeat all these steps again to each arm. Now press R on keyboard, hold Alt key on keyboard, and left mouse click on this stopwatch. Then type wiggle, open bracket, 1, 8, close bracket. So first value is showing how frequently your arm will move. I set it to 1, and second value is how big rotation will get. So I've set it to 8. You can play with these values to get the look which you want. Now as you can see from preview, we have some movement in our hand. Now let me show you how to end this animation. Just find point in time where you need to end your animation, then press R on keyboard and let's set animation to our rotation. We will need just to lower our hands, so let's set some keyframes. First keyframe I'll set about here, and second one about here. So basically we need just to lower our hand to hide them behind the main movement, and then cut this layer to this moment. This is why I recommend you to have fast movement at the end, so it would be easier to hide all other hands. So finally you can just drag and drop your test footage on this icon to create new composition. Let's call it final, and let's apply curves to it. Let's set it keyframe about here. I made my video a lot darker, and about here I just made this a lot brighter, so my effect would look more dramatic. Also you can animate scale, so select this pen behind tool, set this anchor point to your main character, and then just set keyframes to position and scale. And at the beginning let's set our scale a lot bigger and move it over. So yeah, this is pretty much all effect. As you can see in my original comp, I've duplicated a lot more of these arms. Make sure to subscribe to see more. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.